So you want to learn how to make a basic hip-hop beat with your computer? Stay tuned to see how you can create this beat yourself. There are many different hip-hop beat styles, so we wanted to show you one with a groove. This groove is done by using triplets. To create this basic hip-hop beat, we will use Ableton Live with the Batu drum kit. Why? Because the piano roll editor of this drum kit shows the names of all the sounds at the left, which makes it easier to explain it all. But you can make this beat on any other DAW using one of the many great free drum plugins there are. You can check out a review about some great free drum VSTs on our YouTube channel. The link will appear above this video. So we start with an empty Ableton Live. Open the drums and drag the Batu kit to the first MIDI track and double click on the first clip. This will open up the piano roll editor with 1 bar, but I want 2 bars for this beat, so I drag it at the top of the piano roll to measure number 3, so from 1 to 3 that's 2 bars. We set the tempo to 86 and we change the grid because it's now still set to normal 16th notes and we want triplets. So I right click and I see that it's already on 16th, so I only have to select the triplet grid. As you can see, there are now some extra lines on the grid. Every beat has 6 lines instead of 4. Now we can start putting in some notes. So I select draw and start with the hi-hat. To show you the difference between triplet and normal, I will put triplets in the first bar and normal in the 16th notes of the second bar, so you can hear the difference in the groove. The difference is clear, I think. The triplets make it swing a bit more. So let me now remove the normal part and replace it with the triplet groove. Next I want to change something in the velocity of these hi-hats. Every first and third tick of a beat will be louder than the others, so in this case I make the others a bit softer. This sounds more natural. Now we will put in the kick on the first beat of every bar and some extras at the end. And we end with the snare, straight on every second and fourth beat. As an extra we can add some ghost snare hits, which are much softer than the normal hit, so we play with the velocity here. You can play around with this to make it your own personal groove. And there it is, your own hip-hop beat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. On our website you will find the screen capture of this beat, so you can recreate it yourself. That's always the best way to learn how to work with your DAW. Now it's your turn, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated.